Papasalamat ako sa batch 86 sa napakamit ng 64th Grand Alumni Homecoming. Pwede ba natin palakpakan ang batch 86? Maraming salamat po.
Senior representative ng batch 86, you want to say something? Batch 86? Okay. Do the honor, Bilen, to say something. Behalf of batch 86, Bilen.
Bilang kinatawan ko ng batch 86, kami ay buong pusong nagpapasalamat sa lahat sa inyo na umattend, for the effort, for your attendance, for the added fun that you have had shared with us. Thank you very much. Sinasalin ko na po ang susi, ang key of responsibility to the next host, batch 87.
Wagi-wagi daw. Wala po silang hilig mag-picture taking. Magandang combination, black and white. So after accepting the key of responsibility, a representative from batch 87 who wants to do the honor of saying just a bit. Thank you. Andito po. Konsehal Jun Cabildo, nandito po kami. Who want to say something on behalf of batch 87 accepting the key? After accepting the key of responsibility, just say something, Jen.
Buong puso ko namin tinatanggap ang susi ng responsibilidad na ito. Parang may pressure po tuloy sa amin. Next month po, mag-meeting na kami para po mas maganda ang maipalabas namin sa next alumni po. Thank you po.
Thank you very much. Congratulations, batch 86 for a job well done. And good luck to batch 87. Tinatawagan natin yung contestants para sa Rampage 60s. 91, batch 91 and batch 93. Meron po tayong dalawang contestants here. So actually we had 3. Kaya lang, dahil po sa senior citizen, kaya umuwi